In the last class, we have learned how to crop an image. Today, we are going to learn how to remove the red eye effect. We are going to learn about red eye removal. Now, what is red eye? Sometimes, when the photos are taken at night with a flash, we observe red spots in eyes. The red color comes from the light that reflects and retains in the eyes. Now we will learn how to remove the red eye. Steps to remove the red eye. Using the select tool, select the red eyes. From the effect menu, choose the photos option. Click the red eye removal. Fourth one, adjust the settings as required. See the eyes changed accordingly. Now example, low tolerance and medium high saturation. By using this, we can remove the red eye effect. Now I'll show you how to remove the red eye. Now you all know how to open paint.net. Go to search button, then open, type paint.net and click paint.net. Then you can see the window will appear like this. Now we want to open the image. Now go to file menu, then click on open. When you click on open, the open dialog box appears. Then from this dialog box you can select the image. Now here I am going to select the image of a girl. Then click open. Now here in this picture you can see the eyes in the red color. Yes, now I want to remove this red eye effect. Now to remove this red eye effect, first we must select the eye, whichever color, you want to remove the red eye effect. No, so we have to select the select tool. Go to select tool, then select the red color in the eyeball. Then what you must do, go to effect menu, click on effect menu, then choose photo option. You can see when you select effect, you can see the options has been appeared. Now select photo, then click red eye removal. Now you can see red eye removal. Select on red eye removal. Now here, then when you click on red eye removal, the red eye removal dialog box will appear. Here now you can see the strength here. By using this tolerance, we can increase or we can decrease the color of the eye. Then click OK. Now you can see children over here, red eye removal has been removed. Now once again I'll show you how to remove the red eyes. First we need to select use select tool, rectangle tool and select. Then go to effect, go to photos option. From the photos option, select red eye removal. Then click OK. Directly also you can click OK. Now you can see children, red eye effect has been removed. Is that clear children, how to remove the red eye effect? Okay. Clown tool. Now what do you mean by clown tool children? Clown or stamp tool. Clone stamp tool. We are going to learn about clone stamp tool. Clone stamp tool takes sample of an image and applies it over another image or a part of the image, a part of the same image. Now see children, here there is an image over here. If you want to copy the same image by using clone tool, you can copy the same image. Otherwise, if you want to copy a part of the image also by clone tool, you can select and copy the image. Now how to copy? We are going to learn the steps first. Click the clown tool, clone stamp tool, then choose cloning option. Hold the control key and click left mouse button on the area to be clowned. Then release control key. Move the mouse to where the clowning should be appear. Then click and drag the mouse carefully to paint the clown. See the clowning appear. Now children, I will show you how to clone the image. Now if I want to clone an image, what I must do? Okay. Now I have to select the image. You all know how to open the image. Now here you can see an open dialog box here. Open option here, open folder. Click on open folder. Then select the image whichever you want to copy. Select open. Now click open, then select the image from the open dialog box. Select the image, then click open. Now you can see the image on the canvas. Now we'll go to the image option in the menu bar and change the size of the canvas. Now here the width will increase the size of the width by using these arrow boxes, and the height also with the help of arrows over here. Then click OK button. You can change the size of the canvas by going to image, then go to canvas size and change the height and width of the image. Now here we need to clone the image. To clone the image, select the clone option from the toolbox. Select the clone option, then press Ctrl, then go to the brush width. Select the size of the brush. Now I am going to select here as 90. Then press Ctrl key and move around the image so that you can copy the image. After copying, release the Ctrl key. Then slowly move the left mouse button. Press the left mouse button so that you can copy the image. Clone option is used to copy the same image or the part of the image. Okay children, we have copied the image by using clone option. Once again I will show children. Go to file menu, take new page, then click OK. Then new page will appear on the screen. Go to file menu, then click open option. Then you can see the images over here. Select the image whichever you want to open. Select, then open. Now by using the canvas size, go to image, go to canvas size and reduce the size, increase the size and height of the canvas, then click OK. Now you can see the image has been appeared on the screen. Then go to the toolbox and select clone tool, then you need to change the size of the brush. Now I'll select as 100, then hold Ctrl key and copy the image. After copying the image, release the mouse button, Ctrl key, then slowly press the left mouse button to draw the image. In this way we can draw the image, or we can copy the part of the image. With this we will stop the lesson over here children. The remaining part will continue in the next class.